It was a cold winter day. The wind blew snow everywhere. Suddenly there was a knock at the door. Who could that be? I asked myself. I got up from my chair and went to the door. When I opened it, I saw a stranger. He was tall and thin with long, messy hair. He was wearing a long coat. He had a big suitcase. "Can I help you?" I asked. "I'm sorry to bother you," he said. "I don't mean to be rude, but do you have a bathroom I can use?" "Oh, sure," I said. "Of course. Come in." I closed the door behind him. Then I asked, "Are you a magician? A mime artist?" He smiled. "What do you mean?" "You look like one of those people who perform at the theater," I said. "You look like you're from another planet," he replied. "Another planet?" I repeated. "What does that mean?" "It means you are very different from me," he explained. "Where are you from?" I asked. "From far, far away," he answered mysteriously. Then he began to tell me his story. "My name is Zarkon," he said. "I'm from the planet Zargon. We don't have bathrooms on our planet. So when I travel to other planets, I always look for a bathroom, and your door was open. That's why I knocked." "Oh," was all I could say. "I'm sorry I was rude," he continued. "I didn't mean to be impolite, but when I travel, I get very tired, and sometimes I say strange things." "That's okay," I said. "I'm used to meeting strange people. I live in a big city." "A big city," he repeated. "Do they have bathrooms in the big cities?" "Sure," I said. "Why wouldn't they?" "On my planet, we don't use bathrooms," he explained. "We just go outside. It's more natural." "More natural," I repeated. "What does that mean?" "It means it's better for us. I like it," he said. "People on my planet get very angry when someone uses a bathroom. They think it's dirty." "Dirty," I repeated. "What does that mean?" "It means it's not very clean," he explained. "If something is dirty, it has germs. Germs make us sick. We don't want to be sick. So on my planet, we only go outside." "Outside," I repeated. "What else do people on your planet do?" I asked. "They read books, eat food, drink liquids. And some people drive spaceships," he answered. "Do many people drive spaceships on your planet?" "Not many," he said. "Only my brother Zip drives a spaceship. He works for the Galactic Delivery Service. You've probably heard of it. It's the biggest delivery service in the galaxy." "The biggest," I repeated. "What does that mean?" "It means it delivers more packages than any other service," he explained. "And how fast do they deliver these packages?" I asked. "Very fast. If you order something on Zorg, you get it the next day, sometimes the same day," he said. "That's amazing. I wish we had something like that here." "I know, it's amazing. My brother Zip is the best pilot in the company. He never crashes spaceships. He always makes deliveries on time. He's also very careful. He never breaks packages. I'm very proud of my brother." "Your brother sounds like an excellent pilot," I said. "He must be very busy delivering packages all over the galaxy." "He is," Zarkon said. "He works every day. He leaves early in the morning and comes back late at night. I don't see him very often. It's a shame." "It certainly sounds like he has an important job," I said. "He does. One day I'll be a pilot too. I want to fly a spaceship and explore the galaxy." "Explore," I repeated. "What does that mean?" "It means to discover new things. It's fun. There are so many interesting places in the galaxy. I want to see them all." "There are a lot of interesting places here too," I said. "I've traveled all over my country. I've seen beautiful mountains, wide rivers, tall buildings, exciting amusement parks. I've also been to other countries. I've seen beautiful beaches, strange animals, friendly people. I've met people from all over the world." "All over the world," he repeated. "What does that mean?" "It means everywhere in the world. I want to meet people from all over the world," he said. Tell me about yourself. Where were you born? I was born in a small town, I said. It's a quiet place. Not much happens there. That's why I came to the big city. I wanted to see the world. I love it here. There's always something going on. There are lots of interesting people. Every day I learn something new. I love meeting new people and hearing their stories. I love this city. I can understand why, he said. It sounds like a great place. It is, I said, but sometimes I get tired of the noise and the crowds. Then I go out of the city. There are beautiful parks where I can relax and enjoy nature. It's nice to get away from the crowds once in a while. Do you like being in crowds? I don't, he said. I like being alone. It's easier for me. When I'm with the crowd, I don't know what to say or do. I feel uncomfortable. That's why I always travel alone. I can visit places without crowds. I can explore by myself. I like it. I understand, I said. Sometimes I like being alone too. We're both different from people on our planets. That's why we feel more comfortable alone. I think you're right, he replied. It's getting late. I should go, he said. Thank you for everything. It was nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, I said. Goodbye. He left. I closed the door behind him. Then I wondered where he really came from. Was he really from another planet? Did he really travel the galaxy for fun? I didn't know. Maybe one day I'll get the chance to explore the galaxy. Maybe one day I'll visit a planet and see a stranger in another planet. Who knows?